Today we're going to try a little something different. I'm going to show you how I painted the lava on the base. So here I'm basing with bold titanium white. I don't like the outcome, so I think next time I'm going to actually base with this dark scarlet red that we're seeing here. So from this one, I just go around the edges of the land and all the molten bubbles with this scarlet red. Now for the next color in the series of the lava, I'm going to use hot orange and just come in a little bit from the scarlet red, and we'll glaze those later. So now the next line, orange fire, I use this to further bring up the heat intensity. As lava gets hotter, it gets whiter in color. So moving to the next brighter color, we're using sun yellow to get that first yellow brightness towards the center of the lava. Here, I don't show it, but I'm glazing the hot orange over the orange fire to try to blend in a little bit of the transition. Now here I'm trying to use some of the orange fire over the orange fire and yellow transition to blend that. Now it's time to start blending some of that yellow and orange with some sun yellow and bold titanium white. And just going back and blending that yellow into the orange. Now I'm glazing the yellow using sun yellow titanium white 40-60 mix to start giving the yellow a brighter, whiter look. So now I use the same two colors, but I use about 70% white and 30% yellow here to further blend and brighten up the center of the yellow. Now the final highlight, I'm using Bold Titanium White to get those last little bits of white to brighten up the hottest points of the lava. Now I don't show it here, but I use the last mix of yellow and white, the 60-40 mix, to try to tone down the white just slightly. Now if you stay tuned for the next video, we'll see the rest of this mini being painted. Thanks guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon on the next one.